Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Qubely Pro for free. So Qubely is one of the most popular WordPress Gutenberg blog and page builder plugin. So you can see this is the video, okay? So it comes with lots of features that you can have in your Gutenberg. Means when you edit the post or create the post, you do not have any powerful blocks in the Gutenberg editor, but you can get lots of blocks and pages starter templates from this plugin. So as you can see, it comes with lots of features, but some of the features are in the pro version which are very good. So here as you can see, form builder, advanced gallery and lots of features are only available on the pro features. So let me show you some of the top sections that are available. So all of those are the sections that are available with the Qubely, and if you want to get all of those, then you need to pay. So I'm going to show you how you can download all of these for free. So before starting this video, if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. If you want to get more themes and plugins for free like this, then you can obviously comment down below. So here as you can see, this I'm going to just click on add new. So before installing the Qubely Pro, you must install the Qubely plugin. So you will get one file in the description. Just click on extract, and when you extract, you will get this folder. So here is one Qubely Pro, which is the Pro plugin, and it is the main plugin. So at first you must install the main plugin. You can obviously install from here also, or you can also install from the description files. And just click on install now. So you can obviously upgrade this Qubely also, do not worry. So I'm going to just install the Pro also. So if you're having any problem while installing this plugin, then comment down below. So now I'm going to activate. So now as you can see, it is activated. So here is the option. So when I click on Qubely, so here is the Google Maps API key and loss. So if you want, then you can obviously have. So here as you can see, all the features are unlocked now. So I'm going to show you some of the main features of the Qubely. So I'm going to just click on pages and add new. So here I do not have any page. So at first I'm going to show you how you can create professional website by using the pre-made templates. So I'm going to just click here and just click on this import layout, which is from Qubely. And here I'm going to just go to starter packs, and here are lots of premium also. So as you can see, all of those premiums are unlocked. So let me show you, see which is the, okay, I'm going to just choose this, and I'm going to import the home page here. So as you can see, it comes with all the also. So if you want to use the starter packs, then it is very good because it may increase the consistency on your site. So as you can see, do not look cool and it looks so weird now. So I'm going to show you how you can fix it. Just click on the document, its attributes, and here choose the full width, and I'm going to just publish it and open link in new tab to view this page. So as you can see, this is now looking good. So you can obviously choose another thing because it do not looks cool. So as you can see, we got this theme or page in just one click. You can see how much powerful is this plugin, and we have not used any other page builder like TV or Elementor. We just got this in the simple click. So here as you can see, I got text, animation, and here is the video also. As you can see, this is the video you can obviously have, and here is the many here is the counters, here the companies that are powered by or something, and you got this contact form. So I'm going to show you how you can edit few part of this page. So here you can just write any text that you want, like you can edit the text like this, and you can edit this video also like this. Just click here, show block settings, just go to styles, and you can choose the option to fill or classic. Here are lots of options, so you can just click on the video option and you can choose the self-hosted if you want, but I do not recommend you to use self-hosted videos, so I recommend you to upload in the YouTube or something like that. You can obviously have the URL here and it will play. So here is the icon. You can change the icon like this. As you can see, there is the icon. So I'm going to just have this icon, and you can choose the color. So I can just have the color like this, and here are lots of other options too you can tweak. So let me show you how I can edit this button. Just select it and just type the text that you want, and it's very easy to edit. As you can see, it comes with lots of features in it. So here, as you can see, if I want to make a link into any website, then I can just click on this link and I can just type as any link that I want like this, and I can also open in the new tab with this option. And here is the option to change. You can obviously change if you want. So this is also one video, so you can just go to start and choose any option that you want, and in the video section you can have the video URL I have already told. So what if you want to change this background color? Just click on this and just click on advanced style, and just go to background, and you can choose your background if you want. And here is the icon. You can obviously change this icon. So here, as you can see, this is the icon you can have, and lots of other. You can also have the animations, so you can have the animation if you want. And here is all the things that you can edit easily. So I hope you learned it. So I'm going to tell you how you can just create with the blocks. So I'm going to leave the space and click on add new. So I'm going to just type. So now I'm going to create a page with the blocks. So I'm going to just click on sections, and here are lots of options. So you can have the call to action here, like this call to action also you can use, or you can also use the header. So you can personally choose whatever you want. So I'm going to just choose the call to action, or I'm going to choose this. And as you can see, so you need to just change your page attribute to Qubely full width. Okay, so here, as you can see, so I'm going to just click on publish, and I'm going to refresh because it is looking here like weird. So I'm going to just, you can also change this text. I have already told that, so I'm not going to show you. So you can also click on this plus icon, just click on this Qubely, and you'll get all the options also that you can just personally edit by yourself. So like here I can get contact form and the themes, animated headlines, carousel, price list, progress, and lots. So here is one post grid also. Post grid is also very good, so it comes with lots of features. As you can see, you can obviously have, if you want, like this, and post design. So I do not have any post, so it is not showing me properly. So I'm going to remove this block, and I'm going to import another section. So here I'm going to choose the services. So I'm going to just import this. So here, as you can see, it is imported easily, and I'm going to just import another. So you can also have the row like in the Elementor. As you can see, we get the row like in the Elementor, and you can have the columns if you want. So I'm going to import the layout again, and I'm going to just go to feature and import this. Okay, you can just import anything in a single click. As you can see, I can just click on the input layout, can just go to testimonial or the team. So I'm going to just go to team and add one. So as you can see, it is also imported in this single click. I'm going to click on import layout and just click on the testimonial, and I can just add the testimonial easily. And when I can click on import layout, and I can go to the pricing, and here in the pricing I can choose any I want. So let me update it and view this page. So as you can see, we got this page in a single, means we got this page by importing all the sections and blocks. So you can do lots of customization and in the text if you want. So here as you can see, so it looks cool and powerful. So you can do anything that you want like this. So it is very easy to edit any page and the image. So I'm going to show you another block which is also good. So that is footer. So if you do not want to have the footer of the WordPress, then you can obviously import the template in section of footer. So but for that you need to paste this footer in all page at the you need to paste all these section in every page. So that's the drawback, but you can obviously have great footers with this. I'm going to just click on refresh, and here is the website that we got with this plugin. So it is very good. As you can see, I got all of these, and I even got this cool looking footer in a single click. But you need to paste all this footer in every page, so that's only the drawback. Okay, so hope you like this video. If you like the video, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. If you want to get more tips and plugins for free like this, then you can obviously comment down below. I'll try to create a video on that. So thank you for this video. Stay tuned. Goodbye.